Whew. All right, guys, we're in the garage here. This is what Dad heats the garage with. It's a little ventless heater. Ooh, it's cold out there. We're all done messing with the little blue Jeep. I'm getting ready to head home. Trying to wash the window. Getting ready to head home. I figured I'd give you a quick update. Nothing too big. The Jeep truck. Dad got quite a bit done this week. Well, this is kind of like a week and a half old of what he's been doing here. Nothing on the front. I don't know why I showed you that. So a couple of us pulled the box off the other day, and Dad and I welded the box out. And while it was off, Dad was able to paint the frame. If you really see it or not. Just use like a implement, farm and implement tractor paint from my Tractor Supply. It goes on really good. And you're not gonna be able to see it, but painted the bottom of the whole bottom of the box. So just to preserve it. This is just some paint he had laying around. Just trying to keep everything from surface rusting. Got the inside all done. Painted the back of the cab while we were in there. This is all welded out and started doing some of the final grinding. So what I didn't explain last time is this box is going to be here. It's actually a removable box. That's for the evap system. We don't know a whole lot about that. So sitting right over there. It was mounted kind of inside the body of the original Jeep. So Dad built this and where your lines come through and stuff like that. So obviously you got wheel wells. This here put in so you got room for your wiring and whatnot. We tickled around with the idea of maybe putting something else in here. Maybe like a little inverter and like a 110 outlet or something. And then this here is going to be for the fuel, which Dad did this week. Got the fuel tank all hooked up. So just about ready really to start the outside. Of course, you gotta have all this little stuff done before you can do much else. Welded out some hooks. Just little tie downs. So when you do something like that, then you got to put a little brace out here. Real thin, but you're never going to break down the ratchet strap. I don't remember. Then this is where we, this is going to be the bend. Front and back of the Jeep. Got to build tailgate still. Yeah, but it's coming right along. Got all these tabs. These are going to be tabs that Dad built this week for like your fender flares. But you got to think of that stuff all ahead before you start skinning it. Put the skin on the outside. Then you're basically kind of screwed, you know. But yeah, we're excited to get that other one, get it in, start tearing it apart. Just, you know, use the parts off it that we need. And like I said, maybe we got another project planned for next winter for that one. We'll see how things go. I don't really have a whole lot else on this one. Everything's all painted and it's a lot of little work, a lot of tedious work. And then we'll start messing with the motor and stuff and all that other crap. But yeah, what do you guys think about paint ideas? We're pretty much going to plan on keeping it yellow. We're not going to do a full-scale paint job anyway. Then you got to worry about your door jams and stuff. At least it'll already be the right color. It is going to be like an everyday driver type thing. So we're not going to get too far into it. But what's everybody's ideas on, you know, can we paint it ourselves? Buy a sprayer? Do it here in the garage? Maybe we'll find someone that we know that's a painter and have them just come spray it. We'll do all the prep work. I don't know. But kind of get this view here, you can kind of see what it's going to look like. I've seen a couple of them online now where they run them without the top on also, like in the summer. Looks pretty neat. So that's where we are on the Jeep truck. And then we got the other parts truck, the other parts Jeep here. And hopefully we get a couple of videos out this week that you guys enjoy. We'll catch you next time.